Yes, how are you? So this is the latest version of Kush system. So this is our latest version of the system. It has got different features. We have added up different things in it. It is now handles up the bank and with different currencies, where someone can even pay or deposit money, maybe using a different currency, and when any currency picked works automatically. And it has also got rate, like maybe if the rate from let me say from USD and the USD SDG, and maybe that's it. And maybe the rate is at maybe 2005, and that gives it that automatically. You get, so it's in real time, yeah. And then you add who added it. So this works as expected. We have also added up features to do with management and accounts, where we can add several accounts. This method to manage up the NGOs kind of they have their own settings. For example, where you enter the type, whether it's asset, liability, expenses, things like that. And then in here you set up whereby you pick automatically up, you give the account numbers, and then you give generate up here. Whereby that's much more utilized, or it is given out when you are handling up things to do with the purchase request or purchase order, things like that. We have the purchase request, purchase order, goods received, payment request, payment purchase petty cash, payment voucher, and request for quotation. Now, request for quotation is more whereby the customer comes in and does, sorry, the vendor, we work on for the vendor something like more of like this, whereby we have a purchase request already, the purchase order, and we do that, it populates for us that record, and then here we give automatically, this comes up by default with the system, where we get the code and the country, and then also give the currency, which is set right there, the vendor, the address of the whatever. That's where we enter the vendor's address, talk of the WhatsApp number, talk also the email address, the city, the country of the vendor, and then the organization full name, address, and email address. So some of these, like for organization, you don't need to enter them because by default it's going to be coming up with the system where the time we're creating. They tend to give, but because sometimes organization may wish to change some of the few things, so we tend to leave it or tend to have it there. And then on the other hand, we have several things added up on the part for our projects, where we handle several things. We have added up also where someone can add managers within here to handle up his personal project. We have also added up things to do under activities, that when you click on the different activities, we handle up, we added up some of few things here, like for example, the locations, we have added it, and also we have also added up under purchase request, under payment request. We have also added up things to do with is it bank cash, um, bank. So in a simple time, we're going to make up a complete review video walking you through on how to use Kush system, and then you get to know how to use it and start using it. So thank you.